Hello everyone, welcome to Signet Public School, New Narai. Myself Pranita Gadve, I am an assistant teacher. In this session, we are going to teach 8th standard geography chapter number 4 agriculture. As you know that India is an agricultural country. 2/3 of population it depends upon the agriculture and agriculture is the main occupation of our country. As you know that the food we eat, the clothes we wear, where it comes from? It comes from agriculture, it comes from farming. Now, let us see what do you mean by agriculture. Agriculture is a Latin word. It is a combination of two words, that is agri means soil and culture means cultivate. Okay, the meaning of the agriculture means it is a soil conservation. Okay, now we know that farmer is continuously working in the field. He is tilling the land, he is grow the crops, and after that he is continuously taking care of the plants, crops. After 2-3 months he got the grain. In this way we got our food. This is all about the agriculture. Now next we are going to explain you that there are three types of economic activities. This is the formation of plant to finished product involves in three activities. That is, first is primary activity, second is secondary activity, and third is tertiary activity. Now, what do you mean by primary activity? Primary activity involves in all those who connected with the extraction and production of the natural resources. Now, gathering, hunting, animal rearing, dairy, farming are some of the important example of the primary activities. Now, let us understand what do you mean by primary activities. Let us understand the concept with the help of animal rearing and dairy. It is also a primary activity. Let us understand the concept with the help of the example. Now, animal rearing and dairy is a primary activity. In this activity, the farmer depend upon the biological process of the animal and availability of fodder. Now, the milk also is a natural product. The main feature of the primary activity is that it forms the base of the all other activity. Next, we will see the secondary activity. What do you mean by secondary activity? Secondary activity are connected with the process of these natural resources. Now, manufacturing of cloths from cotton, sugar cane, and manufacturing of steel are some of the example of the secondary activities. Now, after that, all of these manufacturing, processing, construction lies under the secondary sectors. Now, let's understand the concept with the help of the example. Now, though primary product, that is cotton, is produced by nature and it cannot be used by us as in this form. To convert it in usable form, we are going to have form the manufacturing is essential in that. It can be done in factories and industries. In this way, this is the secondary activities. Now, let us see the third activity is the tertiary activity. What do you mean by tertiary activity? Tertiary activity support the primary and secondary sector through the services. The transport, banking, advertisement, communication, education, communication are some of the important example of the tertiary activities. Now, we know that we are going to wear different types of clothes, we are going to use beautiful designer dresses, and where it comes from, how do we get we know that it's ready in the market, but where it comes into the market, it is reached to the people by the transport. Now, in this way, transport is the tertiary activity. Now, in this way, we see that first one is a primary activity, second is secondary activity, and third is a tertiary activity. In this way, we will see these activities. Now, I hope that you will understand the topic agriculture. Now, okay, thank you.